Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. A number of users have reported that the clicking noise is due to a problem with the mic in their AirPods. When you use the mic on the AirPods, it is actually the case that only one mic is being used. So what you can do is switch the mic that is being used. To fix this, try the following. Go to Settings. Go to Bluetooth. Click the eye next to your AirPods. Click Microphone. Change it from Always Left or Always Right. The cause might also be that your AirPods have a poor connection with the device that you are using, and it would help to try forgetting then reconnecting your AirPods to the device. It might be the case that you are too far away from the device, there are walls in the way, there is interference from other electronics, or your AirPods are connected to other devices as well. It would help to try connecting your AirPods to a different device and to see if you still hear the clicking sound when you are connected to the other device. If you do not hear the sound, it means that the problem is with the device or the connection you have with that device. If the AirPods make the noise regardless of what device they are connected to, it would be more likely that the issue is with the AirPods themselves. It would help to try completely resetting your AirPods. To do this, do the following. Forget the AirPods from your devices. Put your AirPods in the case. Open the lid. Hold the button on the case for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Reconnect your AirPods to your devices. Some users have found that if you turn off the transparency and noise cancellation modes, the clicking goes away. To do this, click the eye next to your AirPods in the Bluetooth settings on an iPhone. Then you can turn off the noise canceling and transparency modes there. AirPods do receive software updates. It might be the case that your AirPods need to be updated. To update your AirPods, you need to put your AirPods in the charging case while it is charging and put an iPad or iPhone near the case. The AirPods should then automatically update. It is also possible that you have damaged AirPods. This would be more likely if your AirPods make the sound regardless of the device they are connected to. They make the sound even when they are not connected to any device, and if it is a sound that they are not designed to make. It would also be more likely if it is only one AirPod that is making the sound. If your AirPods are still making the clicking sound, take a look at the comments. I will also make sure to keep the blog post linked in the description, updated with any new fixes that appear.